Shalom to the world. I'm Keith Wolf. Today is the 20th of April 2026. Hey, I'm not wishing no one no harm or whatever, yeah? My God. Just yesterday, the world happened one. Japan, earthquake. It happened today. Over 7 point, huh? Okay, not my will, God's will. I know a lot of jokers out there, all you lying false prophets, dead churches. Don't believe me, it's a short video. I'm on my workplace. I'm working. Guys here. That's right. Happy to have a break. Yeah, watch out. The world's shaking, yeah? The bird pins are strong. What's your name? Cholesterol? Oh yeah. You look at other people's videos and you try to bring prophecy. You're a liar. Get ready for your race of faith. Get ready. Not my will. Call me crazy. Okay? It's not my will. God's will. You're not ready? Get ready. Run, you false prophets. Run.